Hey there, it's Cindy, your hair care specialist at Super Hair Pieces. Today, we're diving into 5 common mistakes that hair system wearers often make. Our aim is to help you preserve the quality of your hair system for longer by avoiding these pitfalls. First up, improper storage of adhesives. Adhesive chemistry can be affected by various environmental factors such as light, oxygen, dust, oils, pressure, shelf life, heat, cold, moisture, and dryness. Many wearers overlook storage instructions, which can lead to issues. Heat can soften tape, causing it to become excessively sticky, while cold temperatures can harden it, making it less effective. Light and oxygen exposure can also weaken the adhesive bond, so it's essential to store adhesives properly to maintain their integrity. Next, let's talk about the importance of skin tests. Before trying out any new adhesive, it's crucial to conduct a skin test to ensure compatibility. Some wearers dive into using new products without considering how their skin might react, leading to discomfort or even skin damage. To avoid these issues, always perform a patch test before full application. Third on our list is washing the hair system in hot water. While it might seem like a quick solution to remove adhesive residue, hot water can actually damage the base and compromise the quality of the hair. It can dry out the hair prematurely and stretch out the base material, resulting in discomfort during wear. Opt for cool water and use solvents to dissolve adhesives gently instead. Next, proper adjustments after installation is crucial. Instead of constantly removing and reapplying the hair system to achieve the perfect fit, which can cause damage to the base and skin. Consider using products like Just Positioning Spray to temporarily loosen the bond for easier adjustment without starting over. Lastly, purchasing a hair system without considering your own hair color can lead to color matching issues. Often, wearers buy a hair system based on their intended hair dye color, only to find that the shades don't match well. This can result in dyeing the hair system to match, leading to quality issues. To avoid this, dye your hair first. Wash it to remove excess dye, then choose a hair system that matches your hair color accurately. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can ensure a smoother and more comfortable experience with your hair system. For more tips and tricks to keep your hair system lasting longer, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time on Super Hair Pieces.